Buddy's gonna kiss Emily. Buddy's kissing Emily.
Where's the horsey? Where's the horsey?
What's that? What's this? She's soft. She's soft. I love the horsey. Oh, I probably shouldn't let her put her face down there, but that's how she loves.
Oh, do you like
you
that
love the
pony?
horsey?
Do you like the
Do
horsey?
you love the horsey? That's what she does. She'll go up to Deuce and she'll lay her head.
Really?
Or her horse.
Oh, she wants to feed him.
Yeah. She just likes to lay her head on their softness. Is it time to go home? I think you're tired. I think you want a bob.